What's up everyone? Thank you so much for coming back to my channel. If you're joining for the first time, go ahead and subscribe down below. Click that notification bell and select all so that you can be notified of all my videos when I post them. As you can see from the title, I'm going to be doing a fluffy knots out. If you want to call it Bantu knots or Chiney bump as we know it in Jamaica, it's going to be so quick, so simple and so easy. So if you want to see, just go ahead and keep on watching. So I'm starting on stretched hair, and as you can see, I'm sectioning my hair into some large parts, and the smaller you go with the parts, the more defined the curls. The bigger you go, the more fluffy it will be. Then I'm going in with my Bantu mousse. This is going to give me a very light and fluffy hold, and it's not going to revert my hair back to its natural curly state. And I'm going to go ahead and rub this in mostly to the ends because that's where I really want the curls. And then I'm going to go in with my fine teeth comb, smooth through the hair. I want my hair to be as smooth as possible, and I don't want any form of knots or tangles. Next, I'm going to twine the hair until I get a nice smooth twine, and then I'm going to wrap it around itself, creating the knots. As I go along, if at any point the ends of the hair feel knotted or it is not smooth enough, I will go in with my comb again and smooth it out so that I can get a nice smooth finish. This is optional, but I usually go in with a hairpin to secure the knot to prevent it from unraveling, and that's it. It's very simple and very easy and very quick. And I do it again throughout the rest of my hair. I detangle, apply my mousse and smooth it through the hair. Then I use a fine teeth comb to smooth the hair through. Then I create my twine and wrap it around itself, detangling the ends of the hair as I go along. And then finally, I would secure the knot with a bobby pin or a hairpin. So this style usually dries very quickly because I started on dry stretched hair and I did not use a lot of product. So I'm going to go ahead, this is like a few hours after, I'm going to go ahead and remove the bobby pins, untwine the knots, and then I'm going to separate the curls. One thing that I wanted to point out is that while you're separating your curls, you just want to go with the flow. Go wherever the hair is separating. If it's not separating and it's going to knot or cause a frizz if you try to pull it apart, just leave it as it is and go on to a next curl and separate as the hair is actually allowing you to separate. So I'm going ahead and I'm lifting the roots just to tease it a little bit to get some more volume. Then I'm shaking it out to stretch the curls, give it a more fluffy look. And this is really a messy hairstyle, but I'm going ahead and I'm going to just smooth the roots of the hair, the edges of the hair rather, with some gel to just give it a more refined look at the front. And that's our style. It's pretty simple, very easy to do, very effortless, and the results are amazing. I'd love to know if you've tried any styles on stretched hair before and what your results were like. Leave your information in the comments down below, and don't forget to subscribe, guys. Subscribe down below, click that notification bell, and share with someone. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and thumbs up to you if you stay to the end of this video. Really appreciate you. And that's it for today, guys. I'm your girl Momo. Thank you for watching this video. Take care.